Andrea Appiani was born on May 31, 1754, died November 8, 1817. He was an Italian neoclassical painter. In 1776 he entered the Brera Academy of Fine Arts to follow the painting courses of Giulio Traballesi, receiving a mastery of the fresco technique. Although created a pensioned artist to the Kingdom of Italy by Napoleon, Appiani lost his allowance after the fall of the kingdom in 1814 and fell into poverty. During his period as court painter he rendered portraits of Napoleon and the chief personages of his regime, among the most graceful of which are his oil paintings Venus and Love, and Rinaldo in the Garden of Armida.